Here is a solution to question 5 of quiz 2014 on radians, angular velocity and arc length. Question 5. Determine the linear distance traveled by a wheel with 50 centimeter diameter that rotates through 30,000 radians in 40 minutes. So, how will you find the distance traveled? That means the arc length along the circle, right? So if we have a circular path of the wheel, right? So if this is the center and that's the radius, then arc length A equals to r times theta. Now in this question we are given r and theta. So the radius here is equals to 50 centimeter diameter. That means 50 divided by 2 equals to 25 centimeter, right? So that's the radius given to us. And the rotation is through 30,000 radians. So theta is 30,000 radians. Now in this, theta should be in radians, and fortunately it is in radians. So we just need to find A, the distance traveled along the circumference. So A is equals to r times theta, which is 25 centimeter times 30,000, correct? So that is the answer for us, correct? So you could write this answer in centimeters, but that is a very huge unit, right? So we get a very big number. So it is better to convert this into units like kilometer in such cases, correct? I found some of my students, they got confused with 40 minutes and they were trying to adjust 40 minutes some way or the other. So that is a mistake, and don't try to do that. That is extra value given to you, which really doesn't help to find the arc length, okay? So don't really get confused with that. Now let me also show you as a part of solution how to convert the units, okay? So we'll say A equals to 25 times 30,000. Let me write 30,000 here, and centimeter. So what we will do is, the units are centimeter at present. We'll like to convert that to kilometers, and here is how we do it. We can write 1 meter is actually equals to 100 centimeter, right? And 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, correct? So that is how we can convert the units. You see, centimeter and centimeter will cancel out, meter and meter will cancel out. What remains is kilometer. Yes, of course, I didn't write radians for 30,000. Let me write here radians. But radius, as you know, is just a ratio. Theta is arc length divided by radius length. Both units are same, so they cancel out. So radians basically is no unit at all. We just call it radians, okay? So what do we get? So we get 25 times 30,000. So 25 times 3 is 75, because 75, and then there are 4 zeros. So let me put 0 and 3 more for 1000, right? And in the denominator we have 100,000. So we'll put 100,000, correct? And units we are left with kilometers. Do you see that? So arc length now is in kilometers. Do you see? And now we can simplify this. So 3 zeros. So 4 zeros gets cancelled out, and that will place a decimal here. So we get this equals to 7.5 kilometer as our answer. So we can write down our answer as, so write complete sentence. The linear distance traveled by the wheel will be 7.5 kilometers, okay? So that is the answer, and that is how you'll do it. Thank you.